Hi guys, we're going to bake brownie today because Hunter was craving for
I think we watched all of
It's pre-mixed already. Just add milk and egg, and it's in the brownie bites. Brownie chips are inside already. And cook it for how long?
39 or 40 something minutes.
39 to 43 minutes.
Okay.
Okay. Put it in a bowl.
115, 120 degrees Fahrenheit.
Okay. Bumili kami dun sa dollar store ng bowl na $20.25.
Wash it out. You don't want your brownies to taste like dirt.
Okay. Okay, put your brownie.
Just have to stab the bag.
Scissor, anak. That's dangerous. Okay. Hala! Dapay lang. Diyos ko, Lord.
At least all of it didn't spill out. Just some of it. Do you think it would be okay if I ate this?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Okay, now mix your.
Oh, and now that we have milk, we can make that.
Do that first. Okay, put the egg. Put your scoop.
One egg.
Okay. Then what else? Where's the box?
What box?
The box. Okay, 1 egg, 1/2 cup vegetable, and 1/2 cup water.
Veggie oil.
Vegetable oil.
Oh, right here. Vegetable oil. 1/4 cup. Okay, how much is a 1/4 cup? Can we use the cups in here?
The cup of the rice cooker. Because I haven't gotten any.
Sorry, rice, but we have to use your cup real quick.
Okay, nilabas niya lahat ang egg. Grabe.
Can you tell me? 40.
Half cup. So half the cup. Is that half? Okay, cool. Good.
Oily.
And then you can use this to put in this pan. Okay. And then egg, half of water.
Not this water, obviously. And another water. Sorry, rice scooper.
Ah,
Had to use me for some oil.
water. Cup water, one.
Tap water?
Yeah. Oh, that one is good.
I can't. My hands are oily, so never mind.
Just get cup water, silly. Nagur-uray at laki din.
That?
Mm-hmm.
Can I do it? After we're done mixing, I want to lick it.
You have to do it right because there's a raw egg in there.
Egg.
Can you this side? Can you go to
I
the...
wish we had a whisker.
I know we haven't gotten anything.
Oh. Do it?
What? Not yet. Haven't had the chance to. Magbe-bake siya ng brownies. Sige, you have to do it until no more lump. Mix, mix, mix until no more lump. Pag wala ng lump, yung wala ng buo-buo,
Lamp.
yan, pwede na siya. And then, do we have to grease the pan?
There we go.
Wala, not yet. Where's the box?
Oh, there.
Stir until fluffy mix. Add brownie mix.
Man, I wish we had a whisker. This is fun.
Okay,
Fun.
need to put a little bit of oil into the pan so it won't stick. Grinis ko lang
I'm
siya.
mixing a concoction.
Tapos ko.
Ah.
Okay.